Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. Today I'm showing you how to unlink Instagram accounts if you have multiple accounts connected together. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Account Center. This is where Instagram manages all your linked accounts. In Account Center, scroll down and tap on Accounts to view the full list of connected accounts. Now, from the list of accounts, tap on the Remove button on the right of the account you want to remove. Then tap Remove Account. Instagram will ask you to confirm, so tap Continue. And then you will see two options. Tap Yes, Finish Removing, or you can tap Cancel if you don't want to remove account. The account is now successfully unlinked. Once removed, you'll need to log in separately to access that account again. And that's how you unlink Instagram accounts from Account Center. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.